Hello everyone, I'm Lae Lae. Today I want to talk about Vietnamese coriander. In the UK, we cannot buy in the supermarket, so we need to buy cuttings online or at the garden center and grow your own. It is a member of the knotweed family and is also known as the Laksa plant, Vietnamese mint or raw rum. It is a herb used widely in Southeast Asia and Indian cooking to flavor curry, soup, and salad. This plant is also used as a medicine. Some people use it to control their diabetes, sexual desire, reduce stomachache, and prevent constipation. I'm trying to find some research evidence to support this, but there is none. I have found Vietnamese coriander easy to grow in Myanmar and the UK, but we need a greenhouse with a heater or inside windowsill during the worst of the weather. I have 3 plants to show you. This is the first pot I grew last year and keep it on a windowsill. The second one, I took a cutting from this plant in March this year, and as we can see, it's growing well. The third pot is a cutting I took 2 weeks ago. People might go with different style, but this is how I did it. That's it. Easy to plant. Keep your fresh cutting damp and warm to get the best result. Let me remind you, don't use any fertilizer, just water. Last year, I used some fertilizer, but all my cutting died. In cooking, the leaves are best used when they are fresh, and the most flavor came from the youngest, tenders leaf. Eating salads, and I use it with steamed fish. This goes well with kitchen style beef and chicken. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck with your planting. See you later.